Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's check out this 2020 Toyota Corolla SE. It is in the black sand pearl with the cloth interior. As far as our window sticker goes, we do have the SE Premium package offering the blind spot monitoring, smart key, and the sunroof, as well as carpet mats for a total of $24,724. Gas mileage 31 city, 40 highway. As far as your wheels go, we are riding on the 18-inch alloys that come on your SE trim. And then around back, SE badging, rear deck lid spoiler. Smart key access on this vehicle also, since you do have that premium package. And behind the door handle to unlock. With 9 miles on this one, just put your foot on the brake. Push your button to start. So let's check out underneath the hood. Coming underneath our hood, we do have the 2-liter dual overhead cam i4, making 169 horsepower, 151 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels through a CVT continuously variable transmission. Now, with this being the SE model, we do have a sport mode and a sport tuned suspension, so let's go ahead and check out that interior. Before coming in, open our side mirrors. They're going to be body color with turn signal indicators and your blind spot monitoring. We do have that 6-way manual driver's seat on this model. And then checking out our door panel, nice padded upper doors, padded and stitched armrests with your power windows, locks and mirrors, door storage is down below. Coming to that steering wheel, it is a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel. We also do have our 4-way D-pad for our little LCD over there, as well as our volume, voice commands, Bluetooth over on the right, cruise control, dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with steer assist, as well as your mode and seek. Paddle shifters on the back of the wheel, automatic LED headlights with your tap to 3 blinks blinkers and your automatic high beams. Over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Narrow dash is soft touch and stitched. But coming to your audio system, we'll check out our sources, AM, FM, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio and auxiliary inputs on this model. Then going home to our menu, that's where your Apple CarPlay projection is going to be. Just go ahead and connect up that phone. We have our apps. Once you do connect up the phone via Bluetooth, all of your infotainment apps will be here. Below that, single zone automatic climate control with your temperature right here. Press automatic and you can leave it, or you can manually control your fan speed in your zones right here. Below that, storage. There's that sport mode right there, and this is the CVT continuously variable transmission with simulated gear shifts over in the manual mode. Rear backup camera up top, as well as your power parking brake and brake hold. Cup holders and your padded armrest. Plenty of room in there, and you do have some charging USBs. Glove box stamped with your owner's manuals. Manually dimming review mirror up top. You do have some dome lights. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a little extension. And you do have your automatic sunroof part of that premium package. And that wraps up the front seat of the Corolla. Let's check out the rear. Now round back. As you can see, your cloth does carry through, as well as your door panel materials with your padded armrest, power window, and door storage. Front seat set by 5'9" frame, plenty of room. You do have some storage with a seat mat pocket. Then over here to my right, padded armrest with cup holders. And up top, damped cornering handles with coat hooks and some illumination. Nice view of the dash right there. Let's check out the cargo area and we'll wrap up the video. Coming around back, as you can see, deck lid spoiler, SE badging, and your unique valence down below. Now you have a button on your key as well as a membrane underneath your logo. Opening it up, 60/40 folding rear seats as well as your nice lined trunk lid with the emergency release. Down below, your cargo floor, temporary spare tire, and jack. Front license plate bracket as well. And that just about wraps it up for the 2020 Corolla SE with premium package. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.